Apoto Travel UK Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people believe all flight booking websites offer the same deals. But here's the surprising truth. Small differences in booking platforms can mean big differences in price, flexibility, and support. Apoto is a popular UK-based travel booking platform that allows you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and holiday packages all in one place. At first glance, it looks like just another comparison website. But there are a few details you need to understand before you use it. Apoto works by searching hundreds of airlines and travel partners at once to show you multiple price options. You can filter by travel time, number of stops, baggage allowance, and airline. This makes it easy to find both budget-friendly and premium flights in minutes. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Apoto can sometimes look cheaper than other platforms. Some of the lowest prices are shown without checked baggage included. That means the base ticket may look cheaper, but once you add luggage, the final cost can increase. Always check baggage details before you book. Apoto also offers a premium subscription service that provides access to special discounts and flexible booking benefits for frequent travelers. This can reduce overall travel costs across the year. Customer support experiences can vary depending on the airline and ticket type, so reading your fare conditions carefully is extremely important. If you're flexible, careful with details, and love comparing travel deals, Apoto can be a useful booking tool. Subscribe now for more honest travel platform reviews.